Guys, we have a 2016 Honda Accord, and this has a bad battery, no power. So we're gonna jump start it. He's out there, he's gonna put the jump box on, and we're gonna start this car, and then we show you how to change a battery without saving the memory. And a lot of people will tell you not to do it that way, but it's okay. So we got the car running. We're gonna let this car run, not turn off. I'm gonna move this car to a bay, and then we're gonna change the new battery. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna change this battery, but we're not gonna turn the car off, okay? So we're gonna remove this and this bracket should come off. We're gonna loosen this bolt, and the battery should come off. That's the bracket. There goes the bracket. We're gonna remove the terminal bolts, loosen up a little bit, both sides. Alright, once this battery is out, the car is gonna continue to run. It's gonna run on that alternator here. So the car really doesn't need a battery at the moment. You can't let the positive touch anything, so make sure you stick it to the side. So right now this car is running on the alternator. There's no battery connected to it. By doing this, you're keeping all the memories alive. Some cars have codes, radio codes. Those doesn't go away. Alright, so you put the new battery in. We're gonna connect both terminals, positive and negative. Tighten up both bolts. Both terminals should be nice and tight. Make sure you put the bracket back on that holds the battery back. Twist it. Here's the other way. There you go. Alright, there you have it, a new battery, okay? So what happened here was the car was running on this alternator. If by any chance this alternator was bad, it would have shut off on you. So at least you got the alternator tested, the alternator is good. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the battery terminal spray. It's like a little grease box spray. We're gonna grease up this little bit and this little bit. And that's it. That's how you change a battery on a Honda Accord 2016.